I've missed you so much. I promise you, Brooke, I will do whatever it is that I have to do to never hurt you again. I love you. I'm sorry.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, would you? If I told you you were beautiful, would you take me on the regular? Would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself with another girl. Like this ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. I can see us dance, walking on the beach, our arms in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grasslands outside. You could be my baby, let me be my lady. You amaze me, gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my lady. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my lady. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my lady. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote you, would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? 'Cause girl, I've never been more sure it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say because I can see us dance, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grasslands outside. You could be my baby, wanna be my lady. You amaze me, gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my lady.
You know, I think that book that I wrote in a way was like building something so that I wouldn't forget the details of the time that we spent together. You know, like just as a reminder that once we really did meet, you know, that this was real, this happened.
I'm happy you're saying that because, I mean, I always feel like a freak because I'm never able to move on like this, you know. You can never replace anyone because everyone is made of such beautiful, specific details.